Hello, my people. Na me, Mary Deba. I don't still come, I come follow na talk. I don't still come, I come still give una advice. Because sometimes we did this Europe, many of us we don't know what thing we need to do. Especially those we know we can learn something for house before you come Europe. You know, they talk and say this is my platform now to to advise people. Sometimes people feel the reason, what is she know where she want to talk? No. Your brain and my brain not be the same. Everybody gets different kind of brain and different type of thinking. So what I want to use this place to talk. So I want me to tell mostly our women and our young girls, our young girls and youth. Una we no say, una not learn anything before una come out for house. You see this abroad, no place where opportunity day. Opportunity where they this land, you know they another place. You understand? Because for Nigeria, we not get that kind of opportunity. But for here, the kind of opportunity where they here, we not get that for Nigeria. I mean, that's it. They try to explain give now. If you know, say you not learn anything for Nigeria before you go abroad, school day where you feel go, you feel learn anything, makeup, hair, anything, even tailoring, you feel still learn for here. Impossible. You understand? Impossible. All those women where they sit down for inside house, una just day house, una not they think say wetin I go do. No, you fit dey. Maybe you don't know how you won't take reach there. Una fit go any office, go ask. Government, someday we government they pay put. You don't need to pay anything. If na school you want go, at least for you to get one certificate, it good. You understand? Because wetin make me they tell una this issue. I know of person, very close friend. You understand? Very, very close. As in, let me say she's my sister. Now here now she for learn work. She go tailoring school. Today, now she dey take the. I not be saying now she dey take the leave because fine she still dey work, but she dey get clothes and she knows how to sew. More than the things say they say best dog grow fish we don't dry. As they make that parable. Say fish we don't dry. If you dey straighten, you know they gree straight. Now one straight, now they straight. You understand? Wait till me talk to no one straight straight. No matter the age where you day for this Europe, what anything where you say you want to, you will fit one. Especially if you want learn work. So don't say because you don't grow, you don't too mature to learn work. Keep your pride net somewhere. Pride does not bring anything good. You won't learn self without pride, you don't feel learn anything. You understand? So Mona try to the reason well, and because I don't know the way I take put this talk. Mona try to the reason well and try to find certificate for yourself, because if not tailoring school now you go here, certificate must surely come out from that tailoring school. You go hairdressing school, certificate will come out from there. You understand? Not the reason say you not go put food for your table. You go put food for your table. I remember then I did look for a job. I go one big shopping complex, Carrefour. Maybe those where they Spain go no. They asked me whether I be tailor, whether I sabi sew any, whether I get idea how to take sew clothes. No, not say Carrefour too. If you reach there, they sell clothes. So not be say that they go they buy and now then they make and they get tailor where they make them for. True, then I know say then to get tailor where they make clothes for them. You understand? So anything where you get, where you know how to do for this Europe, it they favor you even to paint nails. School day. And they can still help you to afford the machine. They'll buy the machine for you when you they make use of them. You understand? So sometimes if you use a kind of big English, people go they say, she say personal liability. No. Abroad, they know they see liability at all. If you know if you go work, they go school. Not be only small children need to they go school for abroad. Even big person if you go up, if you go school. Do anything where you want. Get that certificate for yourself. So that tomorrow, anyway, okay, if for example, I say I did like this now. I say, okay, now this one I want to go do. And I know say through there, I'll fit get good job from there. Very easy. That job I'll get her. If you be welder for Nigeria and you reach here and you know say you be welder and you newly come, no they look people where you come meet. Because some people they don't even know how to reach there, because some people they not question that they ask themselves. If you they ask Nigerian person question, it they confuse you because they don't know they themselves they don't know the truth. But if you go some office, go ask questions. Say this one I want to, this kind of thing now be need. Now they go tell you the main office where you supposed to go so that you go not go meet that track that particular time. If it be says people don't fool the class, they'll tell you say so time next year come, but this time people don't no sit again. weather, even to fix ties, even electrician. Many blacks dey wey dey do electricians wey me don see for abroad. Even weather I don see. So most of our boys wey get handwork, even to barb hair. So anybody wey know say him get handwork, abeg, you dey this Europe, you come from Italy, you don dey Spain here for long time, no just hesitate say make I sit down for you sir, just follow wetin I tell you, wetin you just dey. Maybe if you come across my video, and anybody wey come across this video, try to share am so that another person go fit still hear with my comment, you understand. Go any office wey be say they dey talk, they fit dey at ten d to extracurricular, they say extracurricular as in you wey come from another place, you understand. So e get office wey for dey at ten d to people like that. Here, if you no get work, you dey find work. E get office wey dey for dey help person dey find work for free. Now they go help you look for the work for free. If you go that Ayutamento, one place where they call Ayutamento, where the opposite bus station, if you go there, they will take you to the right place where you can get it. That place there, not for everyone people. They just give you number, say come so there. Even all these Morocco people, they go there. They go there. So many things there where we don't know, where we need to know. You understand? So I beg my people, I just use this opportunity, say make I use this my platform, I talk to many people, make una understand, say no need when you take the sit down for house, if you still achieve something. And today that my girlfriend, she dey use that until they leave, she dey use that make money. If she's so close for you, you go be like saying already made. You understand? It go be like saying already made. She dey sew for me. Even the one where I wear so now, she sew. I know they sew clothes come from Nigeria. Maybe once or two occasions, I feel say fine. I feel so come from Nigeria, but here most of all my native, and even instead of English, now she dey make am. But she no learn even to do hair. She know how to do hair. She dey do weave, she do cap. Now here she for learn all these things. You understand? So it good more take liability come up for our life. No be person go fit help us, and you go help yourself. So I beg my sisters, my brothers, my sisters, anyone who knows say don't forget handwork, make you follow up with your handwork. You understand? I see some of my sisters, they get shop, they get salon shop. It's very good. You understand? So they still they learn work. Yeah, you fit still go meet that Nigerian sister, tell her say I want learn work, or you fit go meet that Nigerian sister where they sew cloth. I beg, I fit still go. No reason I say you dey Europe. And tell what they find. Everybody can't find money. Everybody we can't find money, but the truth is just that know what you they do at the right time. 24 hours in a day, na very long day. You fit take 6 hours from inside, then learn work, or you not go even reach. You understand? The remaining hours, if you still take do another thing wey please you. You understand? So my people, I greet you now. Una well done. Na me, Mary Deba, watch Ibota TV.